Hi, I'm RJ and welcome back to my mythos. I am having a massive acne breakout and don't particularly want to appear on camera right now, so you are getting a voiceover. Also, my voice sounds particularly stressed because it's been a weekend. I did karaoke for 3 hours on Friday night and then went and did a show on Saturday that involved me acting quite a screamy part and doing 5 minutes of constant talking for storytelling for my Greek mythology stories, which will probably go on the channel soon at some point. But it does mean my voice is a little bit strained today. So have fun with both of those things. I understand if you don't want to watch this video, honestly. But it's got squeak in it, so, you know, that's a plus. Anyway, it is Glossybox time. Woo! Summer Escape is our theme this month. I've pulled this card out so that I can do the quick scan me. Now you'll see on here it says, this July we've decided to take a walk down memory lane with some of our most loved summer designs. Which is why this box looks really familiar, because I got it last year in summer. Which, you know, when I first opened the box that this comes in, which looks like that, I looked at it and went, I've got this one, this is a repeat, and I was about to get really angry till I realised, actually this is a good thing. This is Glossybox recycling, which, yay, I'm all here for. Anyway, with much less waffle and ado, let's dive in. For those of you just listening, the box says dive in on top. And let's see what's inside this Glossybox. Okay, so this is the crack for the month. There's meant to be 6 in here. There's an extra treat and 5 products. Now I'm looking at this and I can already see that's not the case because the lineup on here is not what I can see in my box, but let's go through it and see anyway. So, first product in here is these 2 little babies. This is the We Are Paradox Volume Shampoo and Conditioner. Are they? They might actually be putting these down as 2 separate products, which is a little bit... yeah, that seems a little bit sneaky if these are 2 separate products. Because it's a shampoo and conditioner, it's clearly a set. Anyway, let's see what they say. So, the shampoo. Create a caring, cleansing hair wash routine with the We Are Paradox Volume Shampoo. Created with hydrating and conditioning properties, this shampoo uplifts from the roots upwards to frame your face with some voluminous locks this summer. Voluminous is not how you pronounce that word. Voluminous. That's what we meant to say. Oh dear. Anyway, this is a deluxe size retailing for £9.25, which is ridiculous. This is tiny. It's 30ml, 1.01 fluid ounces, if that's how you work. I don't mind Paradox. I've had their shampoo before. I don't think I had volume last time. I've had them in a Glossybox before. I think it was, I don't know, gloss, shine, something like that. But it was fine, and I don't mind this. My hair is, as it says here, fine and thin. So this is fine for me. I'm fairly happy with that. Let's put that to one side. Thank you, Squeak. You can look after that. Let's see what the conditioner says. So the conditioner says, feed your hair the good stuff this summer with the We Are Paradox Volume Conditioner, infused with hops and white nettle. This conditioner helps promote the look of fullness, while the conditioner's other golden elements, consisting of hazelnut, coconut and matcha green tea, help your hair create a jaw-dropping shine. Okay, all that sounds absolutely lovely, actually, so I'm not going to mock this one quite as much. This is also a deluxe size worth £9.25, which again is ridiculous because this is the same 30ml, 1.01 fluid ounce, blah 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 blah. But yeah, these 2 together, maybe I could see for a tenner. Separately, that's a lot for what is essentially a travel size shampoo and conditioner thing. I can see why they've done this. This is obviously July 2023 Glossybox, so it's summer holiday time. These are going to be great for anyone who is going away on holiday, because they're obviously under the 100ml volume malarkey that airports will let you take. Oh, have they got rid of that? I feel like they've got rid of that nowadays, but I can't actually remember, and it's a long time till I'll be actually going on an aeroplane, so irrelevant to me. I will just use these in my bathtub. Wonderful! Next! So it says in here that there's a We Are Paradox moisture conditioner. This isn't in my box, so I'm assuming that we maybe could have got that as an extra, or maybe that is the 6th product. Shrug. Either way, I don't have this, so move on. Right, next one that I do actually have is a Revolution Super Highlight Highlighter. I have got a pink version, but looking at this photo here, looks like there was a goldish, silverish, slightly yellowish possible version. I don't mind. I would have happily I would have been happy with either of these variants, but pink one's quite cute. I don't have many pink highlighters, so I'm okay with that. So let's see, what does it say about this highlighter? Get that golden hour glow with Makeup Revolution highlighter. A perfect colour to suit any skin tone, this will be one of your staple products this summer. Dust onto the top of your cheekbones, Cupid's bow and nose for that radiant gleam that lasts all day long. Full size, worth £3. £3? Damn! Okay, £3 is a good price if this is a good highlighter. I would also have thought these were more likely to be £3, and this £10, although Makeup Revolution... Makeup Revolution's a company that I have a kind of love-hate relationship with. They do the occasional really good thing. There is a Simpsons Halloween collection they released a few years ago that has a phenomenal couple of highlighters in it. Squeak. Apologies for that licking, sucking noise you can possibly hear in the background. That is my cat deciding to have a bath halfway through filming. Anyway, I was talking about Revolution. Yeah, I've had some good highlighters from them. There's also a Beetlejuice collection highlighter that's good. I've also had some appalling crap from Revolution. Their eye makeup, shades, palettes, I'm not a huge fan. I've tried so many times, and there's been a couple that were good. I've got a big palette with a load of green shades in that's fine, but I also then have a lot of other palettes that I prefer more. So anyway, love-hate relationship with Revolution. Let me just open this up, and I will do a bit of a swatch. We'll see if this is going to be a good one or not. Give me a second. Okay, so this is what it looks like open. I like the pan embossing, that's really cute, but this is what it looks like swatched. You can just see that bit of shimmer there. That looks really, really nice on camera. In person, can't see a bastard thing. It's not really there. So maybe... I don't know. I think I might need to experiment with this when I've actually got makeup on, so follow me on Instagram, where you will see if I ever actually use it. It's rjmythosmu on Instagram. While you're there, give me a follow, and while I'm doing all the promo stuff, give me a like and a follow on this video. Anyway, yeah, this is what the highlighter looks like. It's cute. I'm hoping if I maybe layer it up a bit, that will actually be super like it claims to be. Okay, yep, product 2, possibly 3. Not too bad. Okay, we've got another lucky dip. We could have had a Luxy Beauty brush, or we could have had an Eureka fragrance mist. I would have absolutely loved, mind your tail push, a fluffy brush, because I can never get enough brushes. Did I get a fluffy brush? No, I got a fragrance mist from Eureka. Ooh, look at that holographic name. Don't know if you can see. I can't get the camera to focus on that because it's wrapped up in a condom, essentially. Okay, let's see what the crack is. Described as an island escape in a bottle, this body fragrance has all the tones of a tropical getaway without that expensive flight deal. This body mist leaves a luxurious, soft scent, encasing your skin with Ireland's floral, warm ray of light. Full size, worth £18. Now, I know I've had a fragrance from these guys before. It is sat up on my desk in my office, which I am not. I'm sat on my sofa downstairs. I don't think it was this one, because I don't remember that one being particularly tropical. I remember it being more floral. Anyway, that fragrance gets used as a room spray because I don't remember it being very nice on my skin. So let's see if this is destined for skin or room spray. Give me a second, I will take the cheese string wrapper off and be right back. Okay, so I've just had a squirt around. Squeak is not a fan. Look at that tail. That is not a happy kitty. Yeah, Squeak doesn't like it, but I think this is quite nice. It's a bit coconutty, which I'm learning is Glossybox's shorthand for tropical. If it says tropical, probably going to smell like coconuts. But yeah, that's cute. I like that. I'm quite pleased with that one. It's nicer than the last one we got from these people, and yeah, wonderful. Not sure it's worth £18. It looks really cheap for 18 quid. I'd expect, a glass bottle if I were paying that much, but I suppose the hologram's quite cute. The holographicness. Yeah, okay, fragrance. Whoop, next. Right, product number 6. 5, possibly, if you count the shampoo and conditioner as one. Pudoof! Bondi Sands Lip Balm, SPF 50 in the flavour Tropical Mango. Let's see what this says. Enjoy a sun-soaked day at the Bondi Sands way. Hydrate and soothe dry lips with this nourishing Bondi Sands SPF 50 Plus lip balm. Well, that was very informative there, Glossybox. Well done. This is a full size worth $4.99. Yeah, this is a good little thing to include here. I am terrible at remembering to protect my lips from the sun, and they are dry and flaky anyway, so this is nice. And 50 plus as well, so that's a really good level of protection. Now, lip balms, for those of you don't know, a little bit of a life hack, also really good for protecting the tops and outsides of your ears and your nose, and the little crevices in your nose. Well, actually, let's see what this is like. Let's see, because if this is more of a cream kind of consistency, I might just use this all over my face. Hang on, give me a second. I'm just gonna get some out. Okay, so it's not really a balm. It's definitely more of a petroleum jelly base. So probably not something you want to put all over your face. But again, I do still say, bob this on your nose, bob this on your ears. It's SPF lip balms are really good in those areas. Let me just see what it tastes like. Oh, that spreads around really nicely. Applies really well. It does feel a little bit greasy because SPF lip balms always tend to feel a little bit greasy just from the SPF, obviously. But you can taste the mango. Yeah, the temptation to lick that off my lips is going to be intense. Okay, cool. Lip balm. Right, last thing in the Glossybox. This is the extra 6th treat for the month. Now, this is something we have had in the past, and that I remember being pretty good. So this is a Huygens Legumage Visage Face Scrub. I remember this being quite nice last time we had it, so let's just have a quick look at what Glossybox says about it. Ultra gentle on sensitive skin, this Huygens Organic Face Scrub is perfect for cleansing and purifying your skin this summer. Apply a medium amount to skin and add water to help exfoliate and deep clean your skin's pores. Deluxe size, sample, worth £7.50. This is a tiny, tiny tub, not worth £7.50. I remember this lasted me maybe 5 face washes last time, so it's a decent sample size. You can try. It's good to try it out, but £7.50. That's £1.50 per face wash, maybe. Actually £1.50 per face wash. If this lasts me 5 face washes, so that's not a good retail value. Anyway, a suspicious person may say that this extra sixth treat in our Glossybox is a way of apologising for that frankly awfully dangerous glass vial scenario we had in last month's Glossybox, which everybody complained about on Instagram. It was hilarious watching the Instagram comments fill up with people going, "I nearly murdered my entire family opening this vial. Ah, the pain!" And watching Glossybox go, "Oh no, please send us a message about this. Oh no, please DM us. Oh no, we are sorry to hear you weren't satisfied." They haven't apologised for including something dangerous in their boxes, but, you know, we got a sixth thing. Woo. Yeah, so I think that is everything in the box. Yeah, the box is now empty, and it's just going on to talk about things. Look at this. Holiday beauty staples under 100ml. Deluxe samples? Deluxe samples are they, Glossybox? You mean travel sizes. Anyway, so I'm going to focus back on Squeak because she is far prettier than the Glossybox magazine for the end of the video. Hi, baby. Yeah. Okay, well, that is the Glossybox roundup. So we had, hold these for me. We had the little face scrub. Oh, no, Squeak's not going to hold them. Okay, so that is the Glossybox roundup. Squeak has moved off, so we'll put them out here. We got the little extra apology face scrub. We got the tropical coconutty fragrancy thing. We got the Revlon super highlight that might not be that super. We got a shampoo and conditioner to make my fine thin hair voluptuous and lovely. And we got an SPF 50 lip balm. Very summery haul, I suppose, this year. It's fine. These are all okay products. They're all products I will use, which is nice. It's unusual for a Glossybox haul, but yeah, there's nothing hugely exciting really here. So once again, it's just fine. It's not exactly exciting, is it? July, August, September, October, November, we have 4 more months of boxes left before I give in. So if anyone has recommendations for different UK-based beauty boxes I might want to transfer my allegiance to come November, let me know in the comments down below. But otherwise, yeah, thank you for coming to my Mythos. I hope I see you again soon. Bye.